today's look, I am creating a sunset. Lauren Johnson showed me a picture. Lauren Johnson Coleman on Instagram sent me a picture of a sunset that was so beautiful. She and someone else has created looks on it. But while talking, I was like, I will do a look because it is so beautiful. I didn't get to film yesterday, that's why my hair is looking all snatched. I went to the hairdresser to get a trim. I haven't seen her since 2019, so it was nice to see her. So I did that yesterday, a trim and a deep treatment. I usually do it myself, but I wanted to go and have it done. Well, the trim I wanted her to do. The deep treatment I do. But a little pampering time was perfect. So this eye look, like I say, is a sunset that was sent by Lauren Johnson. This is what it looks like. So I'm creating this sunset. It is so pretty. In the end, you're gonna let me know if I nailed it. Let me know if I nailed it in the end. Try not to mix up my brushes here, but that is tricky because when using more than one color. I hope everyone is doing good. I hope everyone is having a wonderful time. I am just over here having a ball. Let us create something beautiful. If you have a palette, take it out and let us create something beautiful. This is not a shimmer, this is a matte, but it's always like that, yeah. I put too much on my hand, then it falls all over. But we are creating something beautiful. We can clean it up later. Let's create something. Beautiful people, beautiful creations. We are all different in many, many ways. So let's keep that going. I'm just playing in my makeup today. Just playing in my makeup today. This is the picture of the sunset. This is my eyes with the sunset colors. Navy blue, a little light blue, white for the clouds and the sun. I created art today. You can create art also. Do it your way. Do it your style, have fun with it, enjoy it. Also my lips, be creative, stay creative, create something beautiful every single day that you're able to. Today's inspirational, encouraging word is friendliness. Friendliness. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying to have a prosperous, fabulous day. Bye.